Hi guys, Tristan from Fully Charged Silverstone today, riding a Tristan multi-charger. We're going to talk to you about 5 things that your e-bike can do, or you can do with your e-bike. Number 1, can your e-bike go the distance? Modern day electric bike with a standard Bosch battery can do easily 30, 40, 50 miles. Put a double battery on it like this bike, and you're looking at 80, 90, even 100 miles per trip. So not all communities live in towns and cities. We live in the countryside as well. Cycling between towns is a 60-mile-an-hour environment, and electric bikes help you do that much more effectively, efficiently. They get you to work without having to shower, gives you an option to leave the car at home. Brilliant. Can you ride an e-bike safely around the country lanes? Yes, you can. Look, you have to be a little bit sensible about it. Cyclists ride in all kinds of clothes. Some of them ride in black lycra. Why is lycra always black? I don't know. Luminous jacket, bright gloves, light on your head, light on each end of your bike. Yes, you can be safe. Riding an electric bike gives you the ability to ride up a hill at something closer to 10, 12 miles an hour rather than wobbling up at 5 or 6. If you're not confident, competent, or even if you are and you want to get up there a bit more quickly with less effort, do it with a motor under your bum. It makes so much sense. Number 3, can your e-bike replace a car? So I'm on a Roman road today, miles from anywhere, and have I got here without a car? Yes, I have. E-bikes can get you across huge distances, much more than maybe you'd realise. Believe it or not, 20% of car and van journeys are less than a mile. Look at where we are today. If you wanted to, you can use something else instead, and the electric bike is the perfect solution, and it gives you the opportunity to gain a bit of fitness at the same time. Can an e-bike improve your fitness? When you ride an e-bike, you tend to ride further, you have some assistance, and when you ride for further in at a lower intensity, you're riding in fat burning mode, and also you're improving your cardiovascular conditioning at the same time. A recent study taken over a large base of e-bike riders, 10,000 adults in fact, that electric bike riders ended up slightly edging out pedal bike cyclists in terms of exercise each week. So yes, it's a great way of maintaining fitness, and it's really fun. So can e-bikes go fast? Of course they can. Downhill you can go as fast as you like, but assisted speed is up to 15.5 miles an hour. If you want to go faster than that, you can explore high-speed bikes. There's an article on our website, look it up. So back at the top we asked, can your e-bike do this? I think we've just shown you 5 ways that your e-bike can do this, and a lot more besides. Thanks for watching. If you like the content we produce, please like and subscribe. It means the world, obviously. If you're in the area close to Silverstone, or if you want to drive to Silverstone to see the best of electric bikes, please give me a buzz and swing on by. Love to see you. I'm here till Thursday. Try the Scampi. Try the Scampi. Try the Scampi. What comedian's saying? I'm here till Thursday. Try the chicken.
Okay. Okay.